Okay, let's try and make X a subject. So visualize it as being three blocks, 1, 2, 3. You're trying to make X a subject. So your eyes should zoom into the X. You can see it's a negative block. You don't want minus X equals something. You want positive X equals something. So the first thing you should do is turn this block into a positive. So in your mind, add this block to both sides. So you would take this down, A over B, and then you add this block. Add 2 over x. That equals c over 3. So now you're trying to make x a subject. So your eyes should zoom into the x. Now the good thing is that x is positive. So you should get rid of this block. So at the moment you've got 3 blocks. Get rid of this block. So in your mind, take away this block from both sides. So take this, when you take away this block, on the left hand side it will be 2 over x equals, take this thing down, c over 3, and then you take away this block. Take away this block. So now keep an eye on x. You're trying to make x to be the subject. Now, you when you have an equation, you can add equally, you can take away equally, you can multiply equally. Well, you can also take the reciprocal equally. But the reciprocal only works when you have one block and one block on this side. But here you've got 2 blocks. Or on this side, the reciprocal only works when you have one fraction on one side and one fraction on the other side. Here you've got 2, so you've got to merge them together. So here, to merge them together, to add or take away fractions, you've got to get the 2 denominators to be the same. So here you've got a 3, here you've got a b. So if you times top and bottom here by b, and then if you times top and bottom here by 3, then this thing here will then become, well, let's leave this alone. So this would be 2 over x equals, well, here you've got a fraction. You times top and bottom by b, so that would be bc over 3b. And then this fraction would be a times 3 would be 3a, and then 3 times b would be 3b. So now the 2 denominators are the same, so you can merge them together. So that would be BC, take away 3a equals 2 over x. So now you've got one fraction here and one fraction here. So you can now take the reciprocal both sides. So take the reciprocal both sides. That would then be 3b over bc minus 3a. Take the reciprocal of this side. That would be x over 2. So now in your mind, times everything by 2. So when you times this by 2, this will then become x, and then you times this by 2. When you times a fraction, it gets multiplied to the top. So merge the 2 with a 3, so that will give you 6b. So that will give you 6b. So this here is your final answer. Okay.